Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. On this episode, I'm gonna take this pile of scrap lumber that's sitting on my garage floor that's pretty much worthless, and I'm gonna turn it into an amazing product that you can sell for a lot of money. If you have a lot of scrap lumber sitting around and you don't know what to do with it, this is a great project for you and a way to turn that scrap lumber into money. All right guys, if you're interested, stick around because we're about to get started. The first step to this project is that you want to take your scrap lumber and you're going to have to cut it down to a specific size. I'm cutting all mine down to about 18 inches. Now, in order to do this in the most effective and efficient way, I would highly recommend setting up a stop block on your saw. That way, you don't have to take any measurements. You can just simply slide your wood up to it and make those cuts. That way, you can process through that lumber very quickly. Well, let's cut all these down and then I'll show you what we're gonna do next. All right, here we are. We have our stack of lumber right here. It is all cut to the right length. And the next step is to glue everything up. Now, the key to this is that we have to glue everything up in a very specific order and way, as well as make some minor cuts to the lumber. Now, all of this will be in the plans that I'm providing you in the description below. If you have any questions about it too, please don't hesitate to post a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. All right, well, my next step is to glue everything up, make a few cuts, and we'll be ready for the final assembly. So we've glued up the little blocks. It's now time to lay the final glue down and then glue all these little blocks together to make one giant wooden block. And then once it's all glued up, we are then gonna sand it for its final sanding, and then I'll show you the big reveal and show you what makes this project so special. Because I have to tell you, I'm really pleased with how this is turning out, and I can't wait to show you what this project does. It's a secret. All right, well, let me go get the glue and we'll glue and clamp this up. All right, so I finished sanding this block of wood, and I have to tell you, I really like how it turned out. It's gonna make an awesome stool for my office, and it's also gonna be really functional, and I like that. I used some scrap wood that I had laying around my shop, and I turned it into something very useful. There is, however, a secret about this stool. Let me show you. It transforms into a chair. This is a really fun feature that you can have and show your friends, and it just makes a great conversational piece. Let me show you how the back is done. The slide works by a pin that you just insert, and you hide the pin right inside, and you let the back down, and it simply just rests and sits here, and it looks just like a cube. It's a really fun project that you can have and store in your office and really surprise your friends by just saying, hey, looks like a piece of wood, but there's more. All right, well guys, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button for me. I would really appreciate it. It helps others find this video and also tells me that you like this type of content. Also, if you have any questions, post them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them, as well as I'll provide the plans for this project in the description below. All right guys, well let me take this to my office and show you what it looks like there.